motion of a ceiling fan, and motion of needle, motion of needle in the sewing machine, in the sewing machine. And coming to that, one more we are going to talk about motion of earth, motion of earth around the sun, motion of the earth around the sun. And coming to that, one more to talk about drilling bit, while drilling a wood plank, while drilling a wood plank. And coming to that, motion of a wheels in a moving cycle, motion of a wheel of in a, what I'm saying to you, in moving cycle, and coming to that, motion of moving top, motion of moving top, bongaram, spinning top. What I am trying to you, spinning top. Okay, and coming to that, one more to talk, motion of the wire in the harp, motion of the wire means string. In the harp means what I'm saying to you, veena. And coming to that, raising the rubber ball from the floor, See, what I written on board, look once carefully. Motion of a ceiling fan, motion of needle or motion of a needle in the sewing machine, motion of earth around the sun, drilling bit while drilling a wood plank, motion of a wheel in moving cycle, motion of moving top, spinning top, that in Bongaram in general language, motion of the wire, motion of the wire means that I'm saying string in the harp. That's what I'm saying to you, veena. Okay, and raising the rubber ball from the floor, the ball rising from the floor. Then what we want to say from this, we have to say which are related to those, means what I'm saying to you, which are related to the motion, rotatory motion, what I'm saying to you, rotatory motion, and we have talked about translatory motion, and coming to that, oscillatory motion, what I'm saying to you, oscillatory motion. Means we have to recognize the particular situation is following which motion. The body is following which motion this particular situation. If suppose it is a translatory motion, you have to show the symbol T. If it is rotatory motion, you have to show the symbol R, and oscillatory motion, you have to show O. Understand? If it is a twice, we can utilize the two symbols. It is a twice, we can utilize the two type of symbols for the, means what I'm saying, if any situation applicable for any two type of situation, any two type of motion, we can utilize the two type of motion. See once carefully, motion of a ceiling fan, motion of a ceiling fan. So how the motion of a ceiling fan? The fan rotates in its own axis. The fan rotates in its own axis without changing its position. A body which rotates in its own axis without changing its position is nothing as the body moving with the rotatory motion. The body moving with the rotatory motion. Means ceiling fan rotates in circular in that particular orbit, in the fixed orbit, a fixed place in its own axis. It's not changing its place from one place to another. So the motion of a ceiling fan describes rotatory motion. Motion of a ceiling fan describes what ma? Rotatory motion. So we can use what ma? We can use, I will write there in this particular position. So it describes rotatory motion. What is that? Rotatory motion. Understand? Coming to that. Motion of a needle. Motion of a needle. In the sieving mission. In the sieving mission. How the needle will move up and down. Is it or not? While mission is working, we may observe the movement of the needle in a sieving mission. It is moving up and down. Means the to and fro motion. The to and fro motion of your body. What it describes more? Oscillatory motion. Oscillatory motion. So what we observe, it moving front and back or moving up and down, the equal interval of time to travel up and to down. Okay, so what we can, the motion of a needle in the sieving mission describes oscillatory motion. What is that? Oscillatory motion. And coming to that, motion of the earth around the sun. Motion of the earth around the sun. Motion of the earth around the sun. See here, motion of the earth around the sun. See how like the earth revolves around the sun. The earth revolves around the sun. Understand? See here what I'm saying. The earth revolving around the sun, and also earth rotates in its own axis. In its own axis. So when the body rotates in one axis, what happens is following what we can say here. What it follows? Rotatory motion. It follows rotatory motion. And one more what we can talk about. When it revolves in a circular path. When it revolves in a circular path. We know about translatory motion. What we discussed about translatory motion. Can you recall that? Translatory motion classifies two parts. One is a rectilinear motion and one is a curvilinear motion. The body moving in a curved path. So that's why what happened. The motion of the earth around the sun is following both type of motion. What are those? Rotatory motion and translatory motion. Rotatory motion and translatory motion. It follows both rotatory and translatory motion. Drilling bit while drilling a wood plank. Drilling bit while drilling a wood plank. It is making a force. So it is moving towards the down vertically in a linear, and it is rotating in its fixed orbit to make the hole. The drill makes rotation in its own axis and it's traveling vertically towards the right path. So So it rotates in its own axis. The wheel rotates in own axis, so it describes rotatory motion. It's traveling in the straight path. So that's why what happens? Translatory motion or rectilinear motion. Rectilinear motion is a part of translatory motion. That's why we are taking. So it is also following both rotatory motion and translatory motion. It is also follows both rotatory motion and translatory motion. And coming to that, motion of a wheels in moving cycle. Motion of a wheels in a moving cycle. See, the wheels are rotating in its own axis to the frame. Is it or not? The fixed point, it is rotating circular path. Okay, it is not changing its position. So that's why what happened? The wheels rotation following rotatory motion and it is traveling the straight path. Is it or not? So that's why what happened? It is also follows both motion, describes both motion, rotatory motion and translatory motion. Rotatory motion and translatory motion. Are you understand? Coming to that, motion of moving top. Motion of moving top. Motion of moving top. The spinning top rotates in one axis on the fixed position. Means it does not change its place. So it follows what? Rotatory motion. What it follows? Rotatory motion. Rotatory motion. And coming to that, motion of the wire or string, motion of the wire or string in the heart, vena. When you are plucking a, means when you are playing a string, when you get sound, means the strings are moving to and slow motion. It following the to and slow motion. So the body which follows such a motion, what is that? Oscillatory motion. It makes vibration or oscillation. So oscillatory motion. And coming to that, rising the rubber ball from the floor. It is also making oscillations or vibrations to and fro or back and forth or otherwise up and down in a given interval of time. Of course, what we can say, it is also following to and fro of the motion. It is also following to and fro of the motion. What it describes? Oscillatory motion. What it describes? Oscillatory motion. See there, clear? Different situation we discuss what type of motion it describes. Is it or not? Different type of situations we are discussing, how it is in our surrounding, but what we are going to identify, the situation is describes which type of motion. Which type of motion. Okay. Why you use translatory motion? Because of it describes two types already we discussed. One is a rectilinear motion, one is the curvilinear motion. So whatever is related to the translatory motion, that's why it utilizes that. So see that, right, in your notebook. Okay, finished? The next we'll talk about Then coming to truck, let's make some of partition to that. Okay. Yeah. See here, based on the path of the body, based on the path of the body, bodies, the type of motion are okay. See there what I'm saying to you, which option is suitable for that. The first option is translatory motion. Second option is rotatory motion. Otherwise, no need to write motion, already written in the question. Rotatory motion. And coming to that, we can use oscillatory motion. And fourth option are. And coming to that, one more. In the following, which one is translatory motion? In the following, which one is in translatory motion? Translatory motion. One thing is rotation of Earth. And B is movement of car on a road. Movement of car on a road. And coming to that, movement of swing. And fourth option is none. And coming to that, one more question. Is it visible what I'm writing on board? Okay. Coming to that, one more we can talk about that movement of billiard ball. Movement of billiard ball is, okay, what we can write options to that. C1, one is only translatory, and another thing is only rotatory, and next option is what we can say both A and B, and fourth option is what we can say oscillatory. What we can say that is. And coming to that, one more question. I'm saying to you, one more question. Is that enough? Yes. Coming to that, what I'm saying to you, the basic unit of time is the basic unit of time is, the option is what you can write here, second, minute, second, minute, and hour. Wall clock makes dash type of motion, dash type of motion. Coming to that options, you can say rotatory, translatory, and coming to that oscillatory, and oscillatory. Coming to that, both rotatory and oscillatory, both rotatory and oscillatory, both A and C. Coming to that, one more, you can make the unit of speed in SI system. The unit of speed in SI system. In SI system. So what we can make here, meter per second, and D is kilometer per hour, C is centimeter per second, D is R. And coming to that, one more, see here, in olden days, the instrument used to measure the time. In olden days, the instrument used to measure the time. That we are going to talk about that is nothing as sundial, digital clock, watch, digital clock, quartz watch, sundial, option then electric watch. See carefully what was written there. So, based on the path of the body, see that, read the question carefully. Read that question carefully. Based on the path of the body, the type of motion are based on the path of the body. The bodies which are moving on a path, which motion can describe? Translatory motion, rotatory motion, oscillatory motion. Which is suitable for that? See here, translatory motion means the body which is moving, or otherwise translatory means what you can say, the parts of the whole body moves at a time along with the, means it describes two parts, one is a rectilinear, one is a curvilinear. In that rectilinear or curvilinear, the body moving in a particular path, or in a straight path or curved path. So it is describes of both paths only. And rotatory, the body which rotates in a fixed path. Oscillatory motion, the body which is moving in a particular path to move, means to make the to and fro motion of the body in a particular path. In a particular path, the body makes to and fro motion. So the three type of motions are following the body on the based on the what path of the body. The body moving in a particular path. The body moving in a particular path to make the motion. So what we can say, so further based on the question, all motions are suitable. What we can say, all motions are suitable. All motions are suitable. Means we can say all motions are suitable. Understand? Coming to that, in the following, which one is in translatory motion? Which one is in translatory motion? See, which one is in translatory motion? Translatory means what? It should be belongs to what is rectilinear and curvilinear. Rectilinear or curvilinear. See, rotation of the earth, not revolve. Rotation of the earth, it is following what? It rotates its own axis. So oscillatory motion it is following. So it is a wrong. What is it? Is wrong. And movement of a car on a road. So car is moving on a road. So it covers a straight, means it moves in a straight line path or curved path. Straight line path or curved path. So there is, it is suitable to the translatory motion. Suitable to the translatory motion, which is this is movement of car on a road. It is a suitable. Okay. And movement of a spring. Movement of a spring. It is making to and fro motion. It is making to and fro motion means the oscillatory motion. It makes oscillatory motion. So coming to that movement of billiard ball, it is also making rotatory in a straight line path. So rotatory is there, it belongs. So that's why what happened? This is not a movement of a spring. It is not suitable. It is making oscillatory motion. So option is suitable. What more? Movement of a car, movement of car on a road, which moves in a circular path, curved path, or in a straight path. And coming to that, movement of a billiard ball is movement of a billiard ball is movement of a billiard ball. It makes what the billiard ball when you are hitting that with a particular, when you are hitting with a that particular, what we can make, see carefully how the ball will move. The billiard ball will make a to and fro motion of a to and fro motion in a particular path. So it is example for oscillatory motion. It is example for oscillatory motion. Understand? And coming to that, what I am saying to you, see carefully what I written on the board. See there. Okay, coming to that next thing is what I'm saying, the basic unit of time. Basic means the standard unit of time. The time is measured by a particular standard unit. Is nothing as a second. Second is a standard unit to measure the time. Second is a standard unit to measure the time. In all systems, in whole unit system, we can use second is a standard unit to measure the time. And the pendulum of wall clock makes dash type of motion. The pendulum of wall clock makes dash type of motion. So the pendulum, it makes at every hour to and fro of the motion a particular path. So it's making oscillatory. It's making oscillatory. Oscillations it's making. So it's following oscillatory motion. And coming to that, what I'm saying to you, the unit of speed in SI system. The unit of speed in SI system. What is the unit of speed in SI system? Can you answer that? See here. The unit of speed. Speed is equal to distance by time. Speed is equal to distance by time. Distance is measured by meters. Time is seconds. So meter by second in SI system. In CGS system, centimeter per second. It is in the SI system. It is in the CGS system. It is a big unit, means huge unit. Kilometer per hour is a huge unit. And coming to that, In olden days, the instrument used to measure the time. Which instrument we was used to measure the time in our olden days? So that is nothing as nowadays these we are using. So sundial we were used. What we used? Sundial is an instrument to use to measure the time. To measure the time. Understand? Okay. That is the answer to some of the objective questions. Some of the objective questions, right? I will come by filling some ink. Note down that. Okay, students, finished? Is that finished what I written on board? Did you note down? Is that clear? Then coming to that, let's discuss some more questions. 10 decades. What I'm saying to you. 10 decades. 10 decades is equal to. First option I'm going to say to you is nothing else 1 millennium. Millennium. 1 millennium. And one more thing is 1 century. 1 century. And option third is 1 day. And D option 1 year. And one more question to you. 1 kilometer per hour. 1 kilometer per hour is equal to. So first option is, you can write 5/18 meter per second. And coming to that second option is 18/5 meter by second. Third option is 5/18 centimeter per second. Fourth option is 18/5 centimeter per second. And coming to that next question, what I'm saying to you next thing is, identify the relative quantities. Identify the relative quantities. Relative quantities is nothing as 1 rest, second is mass, third is motion, and fourth is, I'm going to write here, time. So relative options are, A is 1 and 2, and B option is 2 and 4. Third option is 1 and third. And fourth option is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And coming to that, one more question to you. Match the following. Match the following. What we can write? A and B. See here, month, speedometer, sundial, and sand clock. Sand clock. A, B, C, D. And here, Romans, P, Romans, Q, Jantar Mantar, and R is used to measure speed, and S is one new moon day to the next. One new moon day to the next. Okay, and coming to that, one more. Potter's wheel possesses dash motion. What I'm writing to you? Potter's wheel possesses dash motion. Possesses dash motion. Option I'm giving to you. What I'm translatory, rotary, rotatory, oscillatory, and fourth option is curvilinear. Coming to that, one more we can talk about that sharpening of pencil with a sharp sharper process, sharpening of a pencil, sharpening of a pencil with a sharpener process, with a sharpener processes, what we can say, processes, dash motion. And coming to that, what I'm saying to you, one, translatory, rotatory, rotatory, three is oscillatory curvilinear, oscillatory curvilinear. Okay. Coming to that, next we can talk about speedometer is used to measure. Speedometer is used to measure. What we can make here? So average speed, instantaneous speed, average speed, instantaneous speed. And coming to that, uniform speed, and all the above. See once what I am saying to you. See here, 10 decades is equal to 10 decades. 1 decade is equal to 10 years. 1 decade is equal to 10 years. 1 decade is equal to 10 years. So 10 decades, 10 into 10. So 100 years. 100 years we can call 1 century. 1 century we can call. 1 decade is equal to what we can write? 1 decade is equal to 10 years. So 10 decades. So that's why 10 into decade means 10 years. So 100 years. So 1 century. 100 means a century. So 1 century. Understand? So that's why 10 decades is equal to 1 century. Coming to that next, 1 kilometer per hour is equal to, see there, kilometer by hour. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Hour is equal to 3600 seconds. Already we learned that. 2 zeros cancel. 2 5s are 2 18s are. So 5 by 18 meter per second. So 5 by 18 meter per second, where is that? This is a suitable. Suppose if you want to write from meter per second is equal to write kilometer per hour, we can transfer those. 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. If you need from meter per second to kilometer per hour, this is a suitable. And if you need to write kilometer per hour, is equal to 5 by 18 meter per second. Identify the relative quantities. Identify the relative quantities. What are those relative quantities? See once. Our lesson is what, ma? Motion and rest. We already discussed about that. Those two are relative terms. What are those? Rest and motion. So which are suitable to you? 1 and 3rd. And match the following. What I'm saying to you? Match the following. Match the following. See once, month. Month generally we may talk 1 new moon day. Means to the next. Means what you can say? To finish one complete revolve by the moon around the earth. To formation of new moon to again new moon is a 1 month. So month is equal to 1 new moon day or to the next. So what we can write for this? This is we can write, yes, A for yes. And coming to that, what you can B. Speedometer used to measure the speed. So it is for speed. Odometer is used to measure the distance. Odometer is used to measure the distance. Speedometer is used to measure the speed. And the next sundial. Sundial, it is located. What's here? What they are saying about that sundial? What is that? Sundial. So where is the sundial? Can you? Jantar Mantar. Where is that? Jantar Mantar. Means related to those. And stand clock. Used to for what ma? Stand clock. Who are used ma? Romans. Roman. Suitable answers for that. And Porter's wheel possess. Porter's wheel possess which motion? Porter's wheel possess which motion ma? It rotates in its own axis. It rotates in own axis, so it's following rotatory motion. It's following rotatory motion. And what we can next? Sharpening of a pencil with a sharpener possess dash motion. Which process it can? See here, the pencil try to rotate its own axis and it can move in the straight line path. That's why what we can translatory and rotatory. Both are suitable for that. Both are suitable for that. For what? Sharpening of a pencil with a sharpener possesses dash motion. By rotating the pencil in a fixed axis and to make the sharp, it moves throughout the sharpener inside in a straight line path. So translator and rotatory. And speedometer is used to measure. Speed shows in vehicles at a particular how much you are going. At the instant how much is going. That's why you can say instantaneous speed. But you can say instantaneous speed. Of course, speed is measured for different average speed, instantaneous, uniform speed. But speed measures in vehicles at a particular time, at particular situation, how much speed you are going. So that speedometer shows that instantaneous speed. What is that? Instantaneous speed. Then write. Take time to write. Got it? Finish it, those. Is it finished? And keep learning to practice some more. I already given some materials to you through your WhatsApp. I sent some material to you through your WhatsApp and such to read yourself to make well in your examination. Okay? Okay, see you in the next class. Have a good day to you.